Hello, and welcome back to Put to Practice Cooking. Today we're going to be making the apparently perfect blueberry muffins. Mainly doing this because had some extra in the fridge and they're going to be used for something else and never ended up using it, so use it before they go bad. Also, hey, never made muffins before, so it's good practice. So we will see how this goes. It's going to be pretty quick, I think, from the recipe. So I guess I'll talk more about it once we get to it. So see you in a second. All right, we are back. So first off, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be mixing in. We have 2 eggs already in there. Then we're going to be mixing in our sugar. Keep in mind this is a double batch, so it might be a lot more than you think it is. I just had to use double batch because of how many blueberries I had left. So eggs, sugar. Then it's going to be our vanilla extract. Then it calls for oil, but it also says you can use melted butter, and I think butter would be much better. So it goes to melted butter. And then just the milk. All right, going to put that in, lock it, and give it a mix. So that's kind of what we want. We want kind of like the light yellow, kind of, lack of a better word, grossness. But that's what we want. So now we got that locked back in. So now what we're going to be mixing in is our flour, salt, and baking powder. I just did it off camera real quick. Is I just sifted it. That's all we're doing. So we're going to pour that right in there. Be careful with this because we don't want it to be too mixed in. So I'm probably going to keep it on a low mix. We just don't want it to be lumpy. It's kind of a cheat way to make yourself a cover for these. Just some clean wrap. So now what we're doing is next we're going to be mixing in it's a sour cream normally, but there's also Greek yogurt. So just to cut back on the sugar a bit because of how much sugar's in the yogurt that I got, I mixed them both. We'll see how well that changes it. You'd be really surprised how sour cream can add to a dish. My home economics class had one of the recipes was a sour cream and cinnamon muffins, and they were really good. It was like it was the only thing that she forced us to we are required to eat. I should say forced. That's a bad word. Now let's put you back in. Oh, actually, before I get started again, let me get out the main part of this. I get them blueberries. All right, let's push that in and lock and spin. As I said, there's going to be 2 batches, so it'll be about 16 muffins. I only want to have available at the moment is just one, so it won't make both batches on camera, but you'll just rinse and repeat once the original batch is done. No biggie. That's probably good enough. Okay, get you off. All right, so now what we do is now we're going to fold in all these blueberries. 2 cups normally, but as I said, I'm trying to get rid of these, so it'll probably be the whole thing. Actually, let me double check that because it allows you to put in more afterwards. 2 cups. I know it's water, but if you don't know, it's essentially the same thing. So, yeah, almost exactly 2 cups. So never mind. That was kind of a waste of time. All right. All right. Now use our handy dandy spatula and fold it in. Don't have to worry about it like we did our macaroons, but we just don't want to. We want to make sure that make sure we got enough blueberries sift through the whole thing. So we don't want to just have like one that has like 1 and then another one has like 20, you know. So that's what we want to avoid. There is our muffin pan, and then we got some muffin liners. Let's use the cool ones first. Okay, there you go. So that is half of what we're going to be using. So got a cookie scoop, and we're going to do 3 per 1. All right, sorry, I guess I had another glitch with my video again. So all you really missed was just a time lapse, no big deal. So essentially that's what it turned out to be. So 3 scoops of it each, and then I put a little bit of just some cane sugar on top of it, but you can just do some regular sugar. It doesn't really matter. Sprinkle a little bit on each top, and it's going to be 375 for about 25 minutes. Just always check normally, just to make sure you got the right temperature, because everyone's ovens are different. So I will see you guys after that point. All right, so we are back after our 25-minute cook. I think it turned out pretty well. Let's see what it looks like after it unpeels. Very, very nice. We'll say this one was probably a little heavy on the blueberries, so I mean, it's gonna be good, but unfortunately less than we're gonna get the others. All right, let's take a bite. Mmm. Nice chewy inside and nice flavor for it too. That's really good. I think these turned out really well. I guess they are pretty perfect in my eyes, and I think the sour cream and Greek yogurt mixture was definitely a good call. But here we have our final product. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.